Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, and a pinch of salt. On a clean surface, pile the flour and create a well in the center. Crack the eggs into the well, then add the salt. This simple start is key to delicious homemade pasta, setting the foundation for a wonderful meal. Now, gently incorporate the eggs into the flour using a fork, slowly drawing in the flour from the sides. Once a shaggy dough forms, begin kneading it with your hands. Knead for about 8 to 10 minutes until the dough becomes smooth and elastic. This step develops the gluten, which is crucial for the pasta's texture. Wrap the dough in plastic and let it rest for 30 minutes. After resting, divide your dough into 4 equal portions. Lightly flour your work surface and flatten one portion. Pass it through a pasta machine, starting on the widest setting and gradually narrowing it, or roll it very thinly with a rolling pin. Once thin, you can cut the sheets into your preferred pasta shapes, like fettuccine or tagliatelle. This is where your pasta truly comes to life. Finally, bring a large pot of generously salted water to a rolling boil. Carefully add your fresh pasta and cook for just 2 to 3 minutes, or until it's perfectly al dente. Drain quickly and toss with your favorite sauce. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below. Enjoy your delicious, homemade pasta creation. It's truly satisfying to make something so wonderful from scratch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.